Hi guys, today in this video I will explain what may be the cause of your left or right AirPod not working and how to fix it. The recommendations in this video are applicable to all AirPods models including the AirPods 1, 2, and 3, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max. The first thing you need to do is forget and reset the AirPods. Ensure both AirPods are in the charging case and not paired to your device. Launch settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Bluetooth and then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Select Forget this device. Open the charging case lid. Press and hold the button on the back of the case for at least 15 seconds. The light on the front of the case should flash white then amber, indicating the AirPods have been reset. Close the lid of your AirPods case and open it up again after a few seconds. Hold the AirPods case with the open lid next to your Apple device. It should recognize the AirPods and you'll see a pop-up request to connect. If these steps don't work, then resetting a phone network setting will do the job. Launch the Settings app. Under the General tab, select Reset, then click on Reset Network Settings. Then go ahead and repair your AirPods. Restart the iPhone, iPad, or Mac to which you want to connect your AirPods. Hope so this will fix connectivity issue. If the resetting method does not work, go ahead and clean the charging case. There is no LED on each AirPod to indicate its current status, so it is unclear whether an earbud is charging or not. If the case is charged or charging, and you've tried waiting a short while but it hasn't worked, you should make sure there are no obstacles that might stop the AirPod from charging properly. Open the case and take a look at the charging bay into which the AirPod sits. Dust and debris can become lodged and cover up the charging contacts. This will prevent your AirPod from charging, so make sure to clean it thoroughly. You should also look into the AirPod itself. Look for anything that might be the source of the issue at the very tip of the AirPod, which rests against the charging contacts. The silver metallic rim should be gleaming and spotless. You can use a soft cloth or soft brush to clean your AirPods. You can also use a toothpick to clean the charging port on the bottom of the case. Then charge your AirPods and see if they work now. If neither method works, try balancing audio volume. Go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Search for Audio/Visual and tap on it. Under Balance, adjust the volume between the right and left. You can also turn on the mono audio option to ensure that both the AirPods are playing the same content. Despite following all these methods, if you still can't make your one AirPod work, taking it to the Apple Service Center for a repair would be a great idea. If it hasn't been more than a year, you can get your warranty to cover the replacement. I hope these methods worked for you. If yes, consider liking and subscribing to Hi-Fi Audios.